What do you want out of an internship?
Would you like total ownership of a significant project?
Do you want to work for a company that shares your values?
So what type of company do you want on your resume?
This summer, I've had the privilege to work with a skilled and diverse workforce. Since my project gives me high-level exposure, I've built a network with people from all levels of the company.
There are a few companies out there that give you complete ownership of such an impactful project. My project implemented innovative market strategy that directly affected the company's bottom line.
Even as an intern, I had the ability to participate in value-adding conferences and seminars.
My project dealt with market research of a commodity that's vital to the world's economy. While I was fully accountable for all my research, I wasn't left alone. Every UP employee that I came into contact with was so helpful.
As an intern at Union Pacific, you'll be given a meaningful project, a helpful mentor, and all the other resources you'll need.
You will present your results at the end of your internship to company executives to show how you made a difference.
It's a win-win. You get paid to make an impact on a historical Fortune 500 company and get real-life experience to help in your future career.
It's fun, it's competitive, and it's totally worth it. You get to build a company that is part of the backbone of the global economy.
I'm Alysha, and I'm building my network.
I'm Peter, and I'm building customer value.
I'm Lydia, and I'm building opportunity.
I'm Joseph, and I'm building innovation.